Hey you guys, welcome to the vlog. Let me get in this chair right because I feel like I'm sliding out of it. Let me move this thing out away and move up a little bit closer to y'all. So my bad for all the chaos. Hopefully y'all can hear me and also see me. I'm recording, of course, in the crack room, but I don't have my microphone on connected to the camera yet, so bear with me, and hopefully you can see me because I turned off the ring lights because they were behind me versus in front of me. I'm sitting in front of my window, so hopefully you can see me besides the glare off of my glasses. But y'all know I got puffy eyes, so this is my way of covering my puffy eyes, so y'all have to bear with the glare. Bars. No, but so for this video, you guys, I'm going to tell y'all 5 updates that we made in the house, pros and cons of those updates, and also I'll give y'all a little tidbit of the stuff that we're planning on changing in 2025, or some stuff that we already have started changing that y'all will be seeing videos in the future, upcoming videos. So the first thing that we have changed in 2025, we changed a lot, y'all, but I just put down 5 so I won't have this video to be long. And I just wrote down 5 random changes. Hopefully I don't hear the mister as well because he's right above, right below the crack room, and he's on the phone. So hopefully he's not too loud. If he is, I apologize ahead of time. But I just wrote them down randomly, and I'm just gonna go down the list, and I will pop videos up and pictures and all that stuff up, and I'll tell y'all what changed, why we changed, and all of the above. Okay, so the first thing we changed was my closet lighting. Okay, this is the second time I changed it. The first time I changed it, it was like a little pendant light, and I loved the pendant light when I ordered it, but once I got it in the closet, it was too dim. I couldn't really see nothing for real. It was like a dim light. It gave like pendant lights in the kitchen, like I needed multiple lights for to get that brightness, and girl, we had to change it, so I changed it again. Now the light that's currently in there that we put in there, I like it, but it's still a little too dimmed. It's brighter than the other light, but it's still as not bright as the original light. So I do want the girly look and all that, so I'm gonna keep that. And if I need to, because I plan on shooting some videos for my other channel in there, I'm just gonna take my ring light in there. So if you want to see those videos coming up in the future of my closet and all the extra, then you need to watch my Inspired by Royalty Roots page, and you will see more on that, because I'm gonna do like decluttering and all that on that channel, because it's more of a fashion channel. So that's number 1. And then number 2, we did the DIY wall in our bedroom. Now I love that wall. I love that wall, and we went with a darker gray versus the light gray, because I wanted it to kind of blend with the rest of the room. And plus I did a line wash wall on the big wall where our bed at, so I wanted that to kind of pop, so I did a darker gray. But you guys, but I love it, I love it, I love it. But now we are doing some updates. I'm gonna tell y'all about that in our bathroom. And hold on you guys, but we're doing some updates in our own suite bathroom, and the wall we just did is black. I'm gonna tell y'all about that, more about that later, because it's gonna be videos coming up about that. So the DIY wall that's in the bedroom now, that dark gray will be getting painted black to match the bathroom wall. So that's the great thing about on the home. You can change anything you want to change. Girl, we changing it, okay? So next, y'all, if y'all can see the mist around here, baby, the way I change stuff, change it. I don't like it no more. Prepare to be sick of me. No, but for real. To match the bathroom, y'all, we got to paint it black. But I've been contemplating on painting it black anyways, because me, I'll paint something or do something and I live with it for a couple of days. And if I'm not feeling it, I would change it until I'm in love with it. That's just me. That's just how I do. So with that, I've been living with it, but I've been saying I was going to repaint it black to go with our room. So be on the lookout for the update of that, because it's definitely getting changed to black. Now, number 3 would be the stairwell light. We finally got that thing changed. Y'all, I've been wanting that light off of Wayfair for the longest, but I refuse to pay $1,000 for it. Absolutely not. Okay? I refuse to pay $1,000 for it. But it finally went on sale for like 6 something, or I think between 6 or 7. It finally went on sale. So I finally bought it, and I had it, girl, at the house in the dungeon. I had it down there for probably about 4 or 5 months before we actually found somebody to hang it. If you don't know our stairwell, girl, the ceiling is up there. Like the old people say, up yonder. It's up yonder. So we finally found somebody to hang it, and he finally hung it. So it's been up for now. This is January. They probably hung it up probably like August, September time frame. So it's been up for a good little minute, and I love it. I love it. I love it. Now we're gonna make some more changes in that stairwell, so y'all be on the lookout for those videos, because we're gonna do some more DIYs for that stairwell, because that's not the finish. That thing is plain. Y'all know we don't do plain around here. So it's going to be some more changes to that stairwell. So number 4 is the lights in the bedroom. Y'all, I did not like those lights in our bedroom. We had a ceiling fan that looked like it should have been in, sorry about the cars passing by, but we had a ceiling fan that looked like it should have been in like a kid's bedroom versus the master bedroom. Then the boob light was in the little sitting area in our bedroom. So we changed all those lights out. Now we got this grand ceiling fan and this grand light that I got off of where? My favorite, Wayfair. Yes, y'all. Wayfair sponsor your girl, because the whole house is Wayfair now. It went from daggone Amazon and Home Depot to Wayfair. So, y'all, those lights, I love, love, love the light and the ceiling fan that we have in there now. And if you know our house, then you know the dining room downstairs have a sunlight. That mug's so bright. That chandelier is so bright. And the same thing for the light that's in our seating area. That thing is super bright. Don't pay attention to my nails. I'm getting them done next week when we go on vacation. But again, the light is so bright because I think it's got like 8 to 10 lights on it. Girl, she's bright and we love it. Okay, around here is go bold and big or go home. Seriously. So number 5 is our wall in our dining room. Baby, you can't tell me nothing. That wall in that dining room, you cannot tell me nothing. Baby, nothing. Because nobody, when I say nobody has that painting. So if y'all know, the mister and I love to take trips. We about to take one in the next literally couple days. So that wall downstairs have a picture that we picked up when we was in Egypt. And I love, 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 love that picture. Mind you, that picture is the size of a probably like a queen size or a king size headboard. It is massive. Massive. Matter of fact, I think I had the measurements. It was like 46 by 76. I think that's what it was. I think it was like 48 by 76. It's massive. It's massive. So, we changed that out. We finally got somebody to frame it, girl, because we had to get it framed first of all. So we finally got somebody to frame it. Costed 4 arms and 10 legs, but we love it, okay? And I wanted to put it up. Once I put it up, I wanted it to stand out. So I bought the wall sconces to go on side of it. We put the wall sconces on side of it, and it was still missing something. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. It's still missing something. So of course I go to looking on Pinterest, go to looking on here on YouTube. I went to looking on TikTok, Instagram, trying to find ideas, because I'm like, okay, it looks good, the pictures stand out, but now I want everything to just be like bow, right? Then I seen the wall with the trimming. I was like, oh, we in there. We in there, baby. We in there. I told the mister I wanted to frame out the picture and the frame out the sconces. And y'all know him. He'll sit and complain, and that's his thing. But whatever, she wants, she gets. So of course he did it. And baby, I love, love, love. You can't tell me nothing about that former dining room, because she eats. She eats. Now we are going to make some changes, but right now she eats. No, but the only thing as far as like changes we will be making, it would be like furniture wise, because I do want to update my wine shelf and the other shelf. What is it called? I can't even think of the name of the other cabinet. Change those out, update them, because I've had those for about 4 years at this point. Yeah, about 5 years at this point. And I want to change them out. I want to update them. So we will be changing those out down the line, and the wine cart. We'll be changing all that out. We're going to keep the dinner set because I love her, but the rest of it will be getting changed out down the line, y'all. But those are some of the changes that we made in 2024. Comment below, let me know what you think. Y'all know your girl, she changed some stuff up real quick. So far what we have changed now and what we are working on is that freaking bedroom, that owner suite. We've been working on that in the bathroom. Be on the lookout for that. And if you want to see my closet and updates and all that, that would be on, again, the Inspired by Royalty Roots page, because I'm going to do clean out, updates, add stuff, take stuff away, all of the above on that channel, so they can see that over there. But yeah, you guys, I didn't even tell y'all about all the updates and stuff we did in here, but I've changed the whole craft room out completely. That is a whole video on the channel about this room. That's another change that we did last year. See, we did so many changes. I just gave y'all a few because I didn't want this video to be no more than 15 minutes long. So yeah, I'll add right now in the clip, I think it's like a Valentine's Day tour, so you can see some of the stuff in the craft room. But girl, we changed this out last year. I bought 2 new desks. Well, we thrifted them because y'all know how we do. I thrifted this glass desk, and I thrifted the desk that's behind me where I do all my crafts at. We changed that out, and then I did a DIY on my pegboard. Then he hung up my chandelier. It's I think I call it a fandelier. He hung that up. And then what else we did? Oh, he did all the pictures and frames and all that stuff. He did all that. And then what else we changed? Oh, this stuff right in front of me, all this stuff on the walls up in front of me. He did that. I love that guy. I love that guy. If you don't know, I love that guy. That's my guy. I love him so much. But yeah, he did all that. So, and the stuff over the TV and all that extra stuff, the guy did that, the mister. So, it was girl, we did a lot of updates and changes and all that for this house last year 2024, so be on the lookout for 2025. We have already started. In the next couple of videos, y'all will be seeing me change out our bathroom, baby, because I done started changing and ripping and buying stuff, girl. And y'all know me, go big or go home. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video. Also hit the subscribe button. Also, if this your first time watching, hey girl, hey. I don't know why I'm so excited. I'm on like video number 4 at this point, and I'm super excited. But I think I'm excited because the fact that I did it, girl. I got dressed, got cute, and I did it. I recorded all my videos. So when I go on vacation, they ready. But see y'all on the next one.